gentlemen, boys and girls, Renee and Johnny here with today's weather for the afternoon. It's 4 p.m. Still Sunday, January 25. My last report for the day. I got the jerry stick here. I'm showing 6 inches. Hard to tell with this wind drift. Winds picked up at least 10 plus out of the north now. Temperatures climbed up to 4 degrees. I'm shouting because I don't have a mic and I had to use my GoPro. It's so cold my batteries don't last on my phone. Let me show you these roads. The snow has picked up in intensity. You can see the visibility is getting worse and worse. Almost blizzard-like conditions up here now. That behind me is into Wilmington. You can see the roads. They're completely wiped out. Gonna swing around. That's into Wilmington. I'm sorry, Bennington. You can see the roads are bad. Okay. You need to take it slow if you come up on Woodford Mountain. It's getting harder and harder to see. The winds are picking up. And it's getting cold up here. Cold night, cold days ahead. Hang in there, stay home, sit by your fireplace, and have a great evening. Renee and Johnny live from the most beautiful place in the world, Woodford, Vermont. Woo-hoo! Beautiful snowfall, folks. Can't wait to go out and play in it. Yeah, maybe we got 8 inches. Hard to say. 6, 7 inches probably. Hard to say with the snow drifts. Alright. Making my way back to home. Sitting next to that fireplace. Woohoo! She's really coming down now, though. Can hardly see across the lake. Show you the lake. So you can't see across. Alright, it's beautiful. Be safe, everybody. God bless. And as I always say, drive slow, arrive alive. In this case, stay home.